I'm Michelle Betts from the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to put together this card kit from Stampin Up called Panda Friends. I gave it to my daughter for her birthday.
Wait, Mama, since I got that for my birthday, may I make this video with that?
Sure.
Hello, my name is Rebecca Betts for the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and I'm gonna tell you about this card making kit called Panda Friends. Okay. Let's start by opening up this package and let's get this out. Okay. Well, it has glue dots, paper, and I think envelopes. And also some decorations. What's this? Oh, grass. It has instructions, so we're gonna follow those. So let's take these instructions out and take this and put this plastic in the trash. So I'm gonna make one of each card, but the rest of the cards are not gonna be in this video. So, oh. So, it says for one of these cards to place this sideways and cut that out. Yeah.
Okay, turn this over, and we're going to put some foam dots on the back.
Oh, yeah. I know. Oh. Two. And 3. Okay.
Then you're going to glue this to the front of the card. See how it shows? Look, see how it shows? So put it on there straight. Leave a little bit of a border. There you go. Now put it down. All right, now we're going to do the pandas. So which pandas do you need to get?
Oh, the heart ones.
Okay.
So
okay, where does it show you to put the glue dots? The foam dots. So what are you doing next?
Putting the glue dots on the arms. Oh, whoops. So,
Okay. Now where do you put the arms?
oh, on the panda,
And then,
two on. Also, there's gonna be a couple on the panda's body.
that's good.
One in the middle of its head, and one near its legs.
All right, then where are you going to put the panda?
In front of here. So, well, then you put then you use a glue dot to stick this thing on here, and okay, yeah.
You can go ahead and fold it closed.
And here's the turnouts.
Well, you got one more thing to do to make it pretty.
Yeah, and
What?
plus one thing to make it pretty. Jewels. This jewel kind of thing.
How many?
Like, 3. 1, 2. Whoops. 1 too many.
It's okay.
Then 3. Then you know the turnouts. Now I'm gonna do the second card. So first, take the grass out. Okay. And put some glue dots on it.
Some dots.
Some foam dots and okay. And one here. Oh, whoops. Here. Here. Oh. And 3 down the line. 2. Then 3. Trash. 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 Whoops. Oh. And put it on this card base. Okay, then the pandas and this saying. The pandas. One sitting. Two standing. One sitting. And put some glue dots on them. And use this pokey tool. So
Now tell them what you're doing.
and I'm putting these little sequin things on this card. Whoops.
That's good. Keep going. If it won't stick, we can get a glue dot. Or just put it, we'll use another one.
Five.
Okay, show it to him.
Okay, it's done. I'm gonna use these cards as thank you cards, and I'm gonna use the thank you stamp from the Something Fancy stamp set, and I'm also gonna use the Positively Pink ink. Okay, and And
I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Bet Stamper
Kids Takeover Edition.
Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm Michelle Betts from the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to put together this card kit from Stampin Up called... Hello, I'm Michelle Betts from the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this card kit that I bought for my daughter for her birthday.
Wait, no, wait, don't do that.
I'm Michelle Betts. Hello, I'm Michelle Betts from the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this card kit that I bought for my daughter for her birthday.
Wait, no, wait, don't do that. Cause
What? Hey Rebecca.
May I show that to them? How to make some cards out of that?
Why do you want to do it?
It's you bought it for my birthday.
Okay, I'm Michelle Betts from the Bet Stamper YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to put together this card kit from Stampin Up called Panda Friends. I gave it to my daughter for her birthday.
Wait, since you bought it for my birthday, may I share some thing from it? Hello, it's Rebecca for the band. It's Rebecca Betts for the band Stamper. Trash. And place this on. Oh. Maybe.
I hope you enjoyed this edition of the Bet Stamper
Kids Takeover.
If you enjoyed this edition of the Bet Stamper
Kids Takeover.